In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect with or invite people on LinkedIn. If you want to grow your professional network, LinkedIn makes it easy to reach out to people directly from their profile. Whether you're connecting with coworkers, potential clients, recruiters, or other professionals in your field, the process is simple once you know where to click. To get started, go to your LinkedIn feed. This is the main homepage you see after signing in, and it's usually where LinkedIn shows updates, posts, and activity from people and companies in your network. Starting from the feed is helpful because you may already see the person you want to connect with in a post, comment, or suggestion. From there, click on the person or their profile. You can usually do this by selecting their name or profile picture. This will take you to their LinkedIn profile page where you can learn a little more about them before sending a connection request. It's always a good idea to quickly review the profile so you can make sure you're connecting with the right person, especially if they have a common name or a similar job title to someone else. Once you're on their profile, look for the option to follow or connect. Depending on the profile and the relationship settings they've chosen, you may see one or both of these buttons. If your goal is to add them to your professional network, choose Connect. If you only want to keep up with their updates without sending a networking request, you can choose Follow instead. After clicking Connect, LinkedIn may immediately send the invitation, or it may give you the option to add a message. If that option appears, a short personalized note can be useful, especially if you've met the person before or you're reaching out for a professional reason. Keep it brief, polite, and relevant. If you select Follow, you'll begin seeing their public updates in your feed when available, but you won't become a first-degree connection unless they accept a future invite from you. That's all it takes. Open your LinkedIn feed, click into the person's profile, and then choose either Follow or Connect based on what you want to do. It's a quick action, but it can make a big difference in building and maintaining your professional presence online.